When you go inside our building, I hope you'll appreciate that it represents a lot about what Oklahoma Blood Institute used to be and our Blood Institute now is. And that reflects OBI's growth.
This new facility for OBI is a symbol of that progress. And I want to continue to move forward because what you do here makes the next person in my community who has challenges better able to survive.
And anything we can do to continue to fulfill the obligations we have as Americans to make sure our blood supply is full and that we're ready for anything that comes about is tremendous. This facility will help us continue to be a good regional supporter of that.
The work that OBI has done. It's not abstract to my family. My husband and I have children that suffer from rare disease. And that reality has taught us how quickly life can depend on the generosity of people we may never meet.
This is a beautiful milestone celebration, and the work that you do day in and day out moves our community forward, and that matters.